Dear students, today we're going to look at food taste. Okay, food comprised of some certain chemicals. Okay, so we can carry out some chemical reactions to show the presence of some of the food components. Okay, here we are going to look at the taste for carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, as we discussed in the last video, are divided into three. We have the monosaccharide, we have disaccharide and polysaccharide. Okay, but here on taste for carbohydrates, I'm going to divide it into two: taste for glucose and taste for starch. Glucose is the simple sugars as we know, then starch are the complex sugars. Okay, you can also call the taste for glucose the test for reducing sugar. Now, the first test we have here is Fairline solution test. Okay, in the Fairline solution test, we add equal amount of glucose and Fairline solution, and you heat gently. Okay, as you are heating it gently, the color change is brick red. Okay, so brick red color precipitate is formed, and that shows the presence of glucose using Fairline solution. Okay, the second test for glucose is Benedict test. Okay, here equal amount of glucose and Benedict solutions are mixed in a test tube and boiled and allowed to cool. Okay, then when they cool, the result is that there is red or orange color formed, and that indicates the presence of glucose using Benedict solution. Okay, then the next we are going to look at on the whiteboard is the taste for starch. Okay, we have only one taste for starch, and that is iodine test. Okay, where we use solution to a solution, add few drops of iodine solution. Okay, add few drops of iodine, and the color change is blue black color formed, and that indicates the presence of starch using iodine solution. Okay, that's all about the taste for carbohydrates. Then here we have taste for proteins. The test for proteins, we have three tests here on the whiteboard for proteins. Okay, and the taste is the million reagent test. Okay, in the million reagent test, we add equal volume of protein solutions and million reagents and boil for few minutes. Okay, the result is brick red precipitate formed, and that indicates the presence of protein using million reagent test. Okay, then the next is burette test. In the burette test, we mix together 1 cm cube of protein solution with 1 cm cube of 20% sodium hydroxide and add a drop of 1% copper 2 sulfate solution. Okay, then the result here result is purple or violet. The result here is purple or violet precipitate formed, and that indicates the presence of protein using burette test. The last test for protein on the whiteboard is xanthoprotein test. Okay, in this test, we add small amounts of protein with small amounts of concentrated nitric acid, which is on the board as triosonitrate acid, and concentrated ammonium solution in excess. Okay, then you mix and heat gently. Okay, then the result here is red or orange. On this test, when you heat gently, you have to allow it to cool. Okay, during heating, the color change is red or orange precipitate formed. Okay, then when you now allow it to cool, then deep yellow color shows, and that shows the presence of protein using xantho taste. Okay, so this is all we have for now. In the next video, we're going to look at the taste for fats and oil. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and God bless you.